Want to unlock the secrets of selling on Amazon and make up to $500 a day? You're about to embark on an adventure that could change your life. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of Amazon, a platform that doesn't just sell products, but opens up an ocean of lucrative opportunities. We'll show you how to pick the right products, create a store that converts, and use the most effective marketing techniques to skyrocket your sales. Don't start without a competitive advantage. In the description of this video, you'll find exclusive discount codes for Helium 10, the ultimate tool for standing out on Amazon. And be sure to click on the direct link to Helium 10. This tool will give you an edge over your competitors and boost your sales. And if you're new to this business, don't worry. My ebook, Selling Successfully on Amazon, is your step-by-step guide to finding your winning product and starting selling like a pro. Let us take you on an adventure that could redefine your success on Amazon and change your financial future. Welcome to the world of Amazon, the e-commerce platform that has changed the way we do business. For visionaries, it's a sea of lucrative opportunity, a chance to make a substantial income. Why choose Amazon? The answer is clear: it's an e-commerce giant where every product has a chance to make you a lot of money. Imagine a beginner seller earning more than $500 a day in no time. It may sound ambitious, but many sellers are already achieving it. According to statistics, 20% of Amazon sellers earn more than $100,000 per year. You could be one of them. But there are rules. Amazon has its own policies, associated fees, and strict quality standards. These policies are in place to ensure an optimal experience for buyers and to guide sellers toward excellence. Let's look at the specifics of Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM. FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, means that Amazon takes care of all the logistics. Amazon stores, packs, and ships your products. It's convenient, but it comes at a price. FBM, or Fulfillment by Merchant, is for those who want to handle the details themselves. More control, but also more responsibility. Competition on Amazon is real. But the right strategy can help you stand out from the crowd. Offer unique products, promote them effectively, and communicate about them. You'll be amazed at how much you can differentiate yourself from the competition. Reviews reflect your reputation on Amazon. A good product with great reviews can become a bestseller. But don't lose sight of customer reviews. They are your guide to continuous improvement. In the next few chapters, we'll go into more detail to give you the tools you need to succeed in the world of Amazon.
Browsing Amazon is a bit like exploring a vast ocean. But for every seller, there's a treasure waiting to be discovered: the perfect product. Finding that product is like having a treasure map. So how do you find that winning product? The first step is research. It's not just about following the trend, but identifying what has real sales potential. Tools like Helium 10 can be your best allies in this quest, providing you with valuable data to analyze the market. But it's not just about filtering data. It's also about feeling. Ask yourself, does this product solve a problem? Is it unique? Is it attractive? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Once you have an idea for a good product, it's time to find a supplier. Sites like Alibaba can put you in touch with manufacturers around the world. But choose wisely. A good supplier is just as valuable as a good product. Profitability is another factor to consider. After you cover manufacturing, shipping, and Amazon costs, how much do you have left? Aim for a product that not only sells well, but also gives you a good profit margin. Finally, don't forget to evaluate the competition. A product may be in high demand, but if there are already hundreds of sellers, the competition will be fierce. Find a balance between demand and market saturation. In summary, finding the right product is both an art and a science. With the right tools, the right strategy, and a little intuition, you can discover your own treasure, your winning product that's hiding on Amazon.
Your product is chosen, your strategy is in place, but how do you get the product into your hands? That's where sourcing and negotiating with suppliers comes in. This is a critical stage in the success of your Amazon business. Finding the right supplier is no easy task. Whether you're looking locally or internationally, platforms like Alibaba can be a good place to start. Look for suppliers with a good reputation, a proven track record, and who have been vetted. Communication with vendors is essential. Ask questions about product quality, delivery times, payment terms, and don't hesitate to ask for samples. A good relationship with a supplier is like a partnership. It must be based on trust and clarity. Negotiating with suppliers may seem intimidating, but it's an art you can easily master. Don't settle for the first price offered. Don't hesitate to negotiate based on quantity, quality, and long-term relationships. A good deal can provide you with a solid profit margin. It's also important to understand shipping requirements and customs regulations, especially if you're importing from abroad. Make sure you understand all the legal requirements and associated costs to avoid unpleasant surprises. Finally, think about payment terms. Be clear about the terms and make sure both parties are protected. Use secure payment methods and keep records of all transactions. In summary, supplier selection and negotiation is the foundation of your Amazon business. By choosing the right suppliers, you'll be able to provide your customers with quality products and build a successful business.
Starting your business on Amazon is an exciting adventure. But as with any journey, it's important to be prepared. In this chapter, we'll explore the critical steps that will ensure that your Amazon store is not only ready, but also optimized for success. Create an attractive listing. Imagine walking into a store. You're immediately drawn to the well-presented products. On Amazon, your listing is that window. Make sure you have high-quality photos that show your product from every possible angle. A clear, concise, and interesting description is your silent salesman. It must not only inform, but also persuade the customer. Finally, don't forget to include strategic keywords to improve your SEO. Manage reviews and customer support. Reviews are the measure of trust on Amazon. Every review, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity. Respond quickly, acknowledge positive reviews, and respond to inquiries in a professional manner. Excellent customer service can turn a negative review into a positive experience and retain a customer for life. Optimize your Amazon listing. Just like search engine optimization, Amazon optimization is critical to visibility. Use relevant keywords, study your competitors, and make sure you appear on the first pages of search results. Being at the top of the results is like having the best seat in the mall, maximum visibility. Analyze and adapt. The world of e-commerce is changing rapidly. To stay competitive, it's important to be responsive. Use tools like Helium 10 to track trends, monitor sales, and even track comments. This valuable data is your compass. It will tell you when to adjust prices, when to revise an ad, or even when to consider a new product. In conclusion, launching your Amazon store isn't just about putting products online. It's a well-organized strategy, attention to detail, and a constant drive for improvement that will lead you to success. Imagine being able to generate an income in just a few months that would exceed your wildest expectations. Imagine the freedom you could feel, the ability to live by your own rules, without constraints or limitations. Maybe it's traveling, spending more time with your family, or simply being your own boss. It can all be a reality. With this ebook, you get a practical guide that has helped countless people achieve and exceed their most ambitious goals. So why shouldn't you? The only thing standing between you and your dream is action. So take the first step. It's time to change your life. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and training on how to succeed on Amazon. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description of this video to download the ebook and start your journey to Amazon success.